I bought this Insta360 X4 from my own money, so I don't have any affiliation with the brand. This is purely a video to show you guys what you get if you purchase this product. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Insta360 X4 action camera. I've been thinking about this for some time and I have eventually made my mind and went out and purchased this. I plan to do some traveling and also camping, and I thought I would upgrade my old GoPro camera. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and start unboxing the camera. Okay, clear plastic cover off and unboxing it like so. Maybe I'll get the camera out first. This is the camera. It's sort of heavier than I expected. I thought it'd be lighter than this. It's probably a little bit heavier than my GoPro. Having said that, it feels quite rugged, non-slip. I had the option of X3 and X5. I really thought X4 had the best of both, in a sense that this was a bit cheaper than X5 and it had all the major upgrades from the X3. Hence I picked this one. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay. Okay. These are the covers that go over the lenses. Just by looking at it, I'm pretty sure that's what they are. So as you would know, X3 does not have the lens covers, and one of the reasons I picked X4 was exactly for that reason. So you can actually cover those lenses, because once they're scratched or damaged, there's a lot of cost to get them replaced. You have to presumably send the product back. These are the protective lenses that come with your X4 if you choose to buy it. We've got the instruction manuals with it. And let's have a look at this. That was unexpected. There is a nice little pouch that you can keep your camera in. There's also a couple of smaller little pockets inside for your memory cards. It's pretty cool, very nice, good quality. This is a guard of some sort. Pretty good. I yet to find out what is the purpose of this exactly, but at the minimum, if you were to put it on this side, it would protect your screen. But yeah, it does seem like it does cover the camera on both sides. More about that, I will make other videos as I use it, and I will compare it to my GoPro in my future videos. This is just a cleaning fabric, and with the camera you will also get a cable. Let's just open it. I must say this is a really good quality product. Look and feel of it, everything, even with the plastics, you can see they're not cheap plastics, they don't tear easily. I just feel like it's very well made. It's just USB-C to USB-C. As you can see, it's a USB-C to USB-C cable, and so yeah, you get a cable as well. That's really all I'm going to talk about in this video. I will make other videos where I put this camera to test. I show it against other cameras where we can actually see a bit of a performance difference, and also I would check the usability, the user interface of it, and that sort of thing in a separate video. So be sure to subscribe. I will bring about more details of Insta360 X4. Thanks again for watching. Bye.